Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start history lesson number 5, mass media and history. Now, what is mass media? Mass media refers to a diverse array, that means having variety or assorted of media technologies that reach a large audience via mass communication. So broadcast media transmit information electronically via media such as film, radio, recorded music or television. And digital media comprises both internet, mobile, mass communication. So what are the examples of the media? So an example of media are newspapers, television, radio, printed matter, internet information and advertising. So these are all examples of media. Now what is media in simple words? Media are the communication or outlet tools used to store and deliver information or data. And the term medium is defined as one of the means or channels of general communication, information or entertainment in society as newspapers, radio or television. Now, who is the father of mass media? Wilbur Graham is the father of mass media who wrote 25 books based on his research of communication. So he was called as father of mass communication. Now what is the role of mass media? Mass media, they inform us, they educate us and they entertain all of us. So they also influence the way people look at the world and make them change their views. And mass media plays a very important role in organizing public opinion. For example, here we can say the any news reporter or any news anchor. If something happens particular, suppose in particular area there is a heavy rainfall, so they take the opinion about government's work, whether they have all the arrangements to get out the locked water and all everything. So the person takes the public opinion. Mass media denotes a section of the media specifically designed to reach a large audience, and they have the aim or they have the different planning to reach the audience. Now, which are the types of media? Here we can say the print media, that is newspaper and magazines. Then broadcast media, here you can say television, radio, etc. And internet. So internet, here mobiles and laptops or tabs. Now which are these characteristics of mass media? Communication is mostly one way and audience has a great deal of choice. Now what is another characteristics? That reach large and vast audience, means they have to reach large and vast audience. Aim messages to attract largest audience possible. Here means since morning onwards media is giving one announcement. For example, this is media is giving one announcement that at 4 p.m. you can see this particular news, and that they are making that message so attractive that people is eager to listen or see that news at 4 p.m. Then next, influence society and are in turn influenced by society. Both things can happen. So so here you can see in the slide that in the ancient time, pigeon was also the carrier of the messages. And here you can see the radio or fire signal. Fire signal is also important message carrier. Then a TV, drum, telegraph, and many more modern, ancient to modern means of communications are given here. Next, we are going to see here in the blue box. Here, two questions have asked. What could be the method of sending a news to Delhi if there were a famine in Bihar in the Mughal period? Now we are knowing that in the Mughal period there were no modern communication means were available. So at that time, that message from Bihar to Delhi, how it will go that time? Maybe the pigeon or the horse, the fastest mean of communication. So what was the procedure? First, the king will ask to write a letter, and that letter is given to the crier, that is the official person to sending the letter. So that person and horse will go by the road. Maybe roads were available or no, we are not knowing at the Mughal time, but the horse was the fastest communication, and that message from Bihar to Delhi, it will reach by the horse. And second question here asked, how much time would it take for the aid to reach Bihar after the Badshah heard the news? Now after the Badshah heard the news, if Badshah wanted to send the aid or help, how he will send? Now it is not possible that he can go and take whatever help they want, but he will send one official person or officer by we can say the bullock cart or horse cart or any elephant who can carry the heavy load, because at that time railways were not available, aeroplanes or any transport means of communication were not available. So no modern means of communications were available. So these things, I mean bullock cart, elephant or horse cart, can be sent to give the aid to the Bihar. So next we are going to start, that is introduction to mass media. Now we have seen the mass media. Now mass media contains two words, mass. In this context means aggregation of people, that is group of people, and media means various modes of communication. So we can easily send information to a faraway destination through a medium of communication. So how? So we can send a letter, or we can call them, or we can send through the mobile telephones, cell phones. And in the olden days, a crier would run in the streets beating drums and carrying out important news according to the orders of the king, and the news would spread among the people by word of mouth. Now here, who created first drum, that we will see. A European man of the 13th century is the first who invented a drum set element, right? And that man is unknown, means we don't know who was that person. Only we are knowing that he is the European man. So historically drums were beaten by kings on special occasions, such as during wars when they wanted to address their subjects or peoples. And drums were driving force behind the art of war back then. So this was the means according to the orders of the king, a crier would run in the streets and beating the drums and call that so how they were beating the drums, and that particular place the people gathered together, that they came to know that king have sent some message, so they gathered together. And then that person was giving the any good news, bad news, or any victory news to the people, and people come to know the message of king. So this news would spread among the people by word of mouth, right? Like that in the so here you can see in these slides the from ancient to modern means all communication. Now here you can see the through the horse the message was sending, and in below you can see the computer, telephone. Here you can see means of transport, that is aeroplane or transportation vehicles, etc. So children, today we will stop here only introduction to mass media, and next history of mass media. What is the mass media, how it is created, and what is the history of it, we are going to see in the next lecture. So your homework is read the lesson 2 times thoroughly. Thank you, students.